What the fuck, Astro?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Schiana. I go by Schianaxbeauty on my channel here. So for today's video, I'm going to be basically showing you how I got my hair this bone straight. If you don't know, my texture is kind of like in between a 3C, 4A. It's definitely like defined, but I do have like a little bit of more coily, tighter curls in my hair. But yeah, if you're interested in how I got my hair straight, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so my hair is freshly washed. I did t-shirt dry it, so it sat underneath there. I had to go to the store because I was out of my heat protectant. And so I put my hair in like a quick bun and like went to Sally's real quick and got that. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I use to shampoo and condition my hair with when I do decide to straighten my hair. I use the Cantu Natural Hair Cleansing Cream Shampoo. This doesn't have any sulfates. It's pretty natural. Yeah, so I use this because it really strips my hair of like all of the dirt and debris, and I need my hair to like be super clean because like any extra oils literally weighs my hair down because I have like extremely like fine textured hair. So yeah. And then for my conditioner, I use Maui Moisture's Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter conditioner. And when I use this, I lather it in my hair just for a little bit, and then I go in and I detangle my hair when I put my conditioner in, and I let that sit for a little bit so like the moisture goes back into my hair and it just like keeps it super nourished, because I don't want to just go in and straighten like non-hydrated hair. So I do that and then I rinse that out, and now I towel dried with a t-shirt because t-shirts are less damaging and it soaks up a lot of the water too still, like a towel does. And then after that, we're going to separate my hair, section out, blow dry, and straighten my hair. And yes, I am a little stuffy, so bear with me. I'm congested. This has not been the best start to the new year, but it is what it is. We gonna move past it because what can we do? Nothing. Alright, so I have my hair in 6 sections. It's definitely easier for me to manage my hair that way. And I'm just going to go ahead and distribute my product into my hair. I use my weightless leave-in from Design Essentials, the Platinum line. Then I go in with my Chi Keratin smoothening serum. This just helps like my hair stay super sleek and super smooth and like kind of frizz free and everything like that. And then after that, I go in with my heat protectant thermal spray. This definitely helps to reduce heat damage and frizz and all that, just to make sure my hair is protected with all of this heat that I am about to put on my hair. I already did straighten my hair once, so I was like, you know what, it didn't last me as long because I was doing like other styles with it. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll move on to the blow drying. Alright, so now I have detangled and I've distributed my product in my hair. I'm going to go ahead and do this side off camera, and then we'll be right back. Alright, now that I have done all of that, I'm about to go ahead and blow dry my hair. I'm going to start with the back sections. The most important process of this is blow drying. So you definitely want to make sure you get your hair as straight as possible with blow drying first. And then that way you don't have to really do as much work when you go in to straighten it. It's just pretty much already stretched and straightened as possible. And then you just go in and kind of smooth everything out. You can blow dry your hair is just using a comb attachment. This helps me the most because my hair is such a tighter curl in the back for some reason. I don't know, but I like to use a comb attachment because it works a lot easier. And I did recently just get a haircut, so that's definitely helped since the last time I straightened my hair. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna finish blow drying the rest of my hair off camera because I think you get the gist of it. I might just do one section in the front, but yeah, I'm gonna continue on. Alright, now that my hair is blow dried, I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more of the kinks out of the ends of my hair, because that's always the area that tangles the most because of my curls are the tightest on the end. Why, I don't know, but anytime I blow dry my hair, that's always like the first area to still stay a little nappy, of course. So I'm about to just go through with that this brush because it's just gonna help stretch it out a little bit more on my ends. So to flat iron my hair, I use my Nano titanium flat iron from Babyliss Pro. This also has the memory function, so like I can save a setting a degree that I want it to stay on. So I just push my memory button and it goes to 410. I don't think I'm gonna use 410, maybe, I don't know. It depends on how well my hair flat irons at first. I might start off with 390 and see where it takes me. This flat iron does heat up to 450 degrees, but I don't need it to. And this heats up in like 10 seconds. So as you can see, I've already pushed the button and it's on to 410. So that's one of my personal favorites. I feel like it smooths the hair out really good too. If you're in the market for a new flat iron, I think this one was like $100, $130, around that price. But I've had it for a while and it definitely gets my hair super straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair up and get started. Now the key to getting a smooth blend on the hair is I just like to make sure I detangle any nicks and crannies out of my hair, but I also take very small slithers. I don't do like extremely large sections when I am straightening my hair because I want to make sure that everything gets nice and smooth and flat ironed. So I just clip that out of the way. and I take a rat tail comb and just comb through my hair real good. And I do the tap, tap, pass method on my hair. So it gets super smooth. So tap, tap, pass. So just continue doing the same thing, just small slither sections. Clip the rest out of the way. Make sure you detangle. And then after I do that, I place my comb in the hair. And then you want to make sure you straighten the base out. Now we're doing 2 passes at the root and then straighten it all the way down. So as you can see, my hair is straight. And it is pretty long too as well. I haven't put any heat on it since, well, the last time I put heat on it recently was like a couple weeks ago, but I haven't put any heat on it for like the entire year. It's pretty much been up in protective styles, braids, and all that stuff, which I will bring back in the summertime. But I did decide I want to do something a little different since it's cold out and my hair can actually manage itself with this weather that we have right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing the same thing all over my head, and then when I get to the front section, I'll show y'all how I do like my edges and everything like that. I feel the best way to flat iron baby hairs is horizontal instead of vertical, so you don't stand the chance of burning yourself as easy as if you were to do it vertical. Which this is horizontal, this is vertical, if you don't know. Yeah, I would assume that you already knew that if you're watching this video. But yeah. So guys, yeah, this is pretty much how I get my hair bone straight. It's pretty easy to do.
What the fuck, Astro?
We'll see how long this lasts me.
Alright guys, so I completely forgot to record an outro. I'm so sorry, but that is the end of this video. If you have any comments or questions, just let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.